Number 1. Suzuki Hayabusa. The Suzuki Hayabusa is one of the most legendary motorcycles ever built, known worldwide for its incredible speed, powerful performance, and iconic aerodynamic design. First introduced in 1999, it quickly became famous for setting new standards in the world of high-performance motorcycles. Named after the peregrine falcon, the fastest bird on Earth, the Hayabusa was designed to deliver unmatched speed while remaining comfortable for long-distance riding. The latest model is powered by a 1,340 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled inline-4 engine producing around 190 horsepower, delivering smooth acceleration and impressive torque. Its top speed is electronically limited to approximately 186 miles per hour, 299 km/h. The motorcycle also features advanced technologies, including traction control, launch control, wheelie control, cruise control, cornering ABS, multiple riding modes, and a bidirectional quick shifter. Premium Brembo brakes, KYB suspension, and a lightweight aluminum frame provide excellent handling, stability, and rider confidence. Even after more than 2 decades, the Suzuki Hayabusa remains one of the most respected and iconic high-performance motorcycles ever created. Number 2. Ducati Panigale V4R. The Ducati Panigale V4R is one of the most advanced production motorcycles in the world, combining race-winning technology with everyday road legality. Developed to meet World Superbike Championship homologation rules, it is the closest street-legal motorcycle to Ducati's factory racing machines. Power comes from a 998 cubic centimeters Desmacedesi Stradale RV4 engine that produces around 218 horsepower, delivering breathtaking acceleration and a top speed of nearly 199 miles per hour, 320 km/h. Its lightweight aluminum frame, titanium engine components, and carbon fiber aerodynamic winglets reduce weight while improving stability at high speeds. Inspired by Ducati's MotoGP technology, the winglets generate downforce to keep the front wheel planted during hard acceleration and increase confidence through fast corners. The Panigale V4R also features advanced electronics, including traction control, wheelie control, launch control, cornering ABS, slide control, engine brake management, and a bidirectional quick shifter. Premium Öhlins suspension and Brembo brakes provide exceptional handling and stopping power, making this motorcycle a true masterpiece of Italian engineering and one of the world's most desirable superbikes. Number 3. Aprilia RSV4 Factory. The Aprilia RSV4 Factory is one of the world's most respected superbikes, celebrated for its outstanding handling, race-inspired technology, and exceptional performance. Developed using Aprilia's World Superbike Championship experience, it combines cutting-edge engineering with everyday rideability. Power comes from a 1,099 cubic centimeters V4 engine producing over 215 horsepower, delivering explosive acceleration and a top speed of approximately 190 miles per hour, 305 km/h. Its compact V4 layout provides smooth power delivery while maintaining excellent balance and agility. The aerodynamic bodywork features integrated winglets that generate downforce, improving stability during hard acceleration, heavy braking, and high-speed cornering. A lightweight aluminum twinspar frame and Öhlins Smart EC 2.0 semi-active electronic suspension ensure precise handling and maximum rider confidence. The advanced APRC electronics package includes traction control, wheelie control, launch control, cruise control, engine brake management, multiple riding modes, and cornering ABS. Combining race-winning technology, lightweight construction, and premium components, the Aprilia RSV4 Factory delivers an exhilarating riding experience and remains one of the most technologically advanced superbikes available today. Number 4. Honda CBR1000RR, R Fireblade SP. The Honda CBR1000RR, R Fireblade SP is one of the most advanced superbikes ever built, combining Honda's rich racing heritage with cutting-edge technology. Inspired by Honda's MotoGP program, this road-legal machine is engineered to deliver outstanding speed, precision, and control on both the racetrack and public roads. It is powered by a 999 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled inline-4 engine that produces approximately 214 horsepower, delivering thrilling acceleration and a top speed of around 186 miles per hour 300 km/h. The engine is designed to rev beyond 14,000 revolutions per minute, providing impressive performance throughout the power band. Aerodynamic winglets inspired by MotoGP generate additional downforce, improving stability during hard acceleration, braking, and high-speed cornering. A lightweight aluminum twin-spar frame, Öhlins Smart EC semi-active suspension, and Brembo Stylema brakes provide exceptional handling and stopping power. Advanced rider aids include traction control, wheelie control, launch control, cornering ABS, multiple riding modes, engine brake management, and a quick shifter. Combining race-winning engineering, premium components, and everyday usability, the Fireblade SP remains one of the world's most respected and technologically advanced superbikes. Number 5. Kawasaki Ninja H2R. The Kawasaki Ninja H2R is one of the most powerful and extreme motorcycles ever created, built exclusively for closed racing circuits rather than public roads. Unlike conventional superbikes, the H2R is powered by a 998 cubic centimeters supercharged inline-4 engine that produces an astonishing 310 horsepower, increasing to around 326 horsepower with ram air at high speeds. This incredible performance allows the motorcycle to accelerate with breathtaking force and reach speeds approaching 250 miles per hour 400 km/h under ideal conditions. Kawasaki developed the supercharger entirely in-house, delivering instant throttle response and continuous power throughout the rev range. Its lightweight carbon fiber bodywork features aerodynamic winglets that generate downforce, improving stability at extreme speeds. A high-strength steel trellis frame, premium suspension, and powerful Brembo brakes provide exceptional handling and control despite its immense power. Advanced rider aids include traction control, launch control, wheelie control, engine brake management, cornering ABS, and a quick shifter. Combining revolutionary engineering, cutting-edge technology, and unmatched performance, the Kawasaki Ninja H2R remains one of the fastest and most extraordinary motorcycles ever built.
Number 6. BMW S1000RR. The BMW S1000RR is one of the world's most advanced superbikes, combining race-winning technology with everyday usability. First introduced in 2009, it quickly established BMW as a major force in the superbike segment thanks to its outstanding speed, sharp handling, and advanced electronics. Developed using BMW's experience in the FIM Superbike World Championship, the S1000RR remains a favorite among racers and motorcycle enthusiasts. At its heart is a 999 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled inline-4 engine producing approximately 210 horsepower, enabling the bike to reach a top speed of around 188 miles per hour, 303 kilometers per hour. BMW's ShiftCam variable valve timing system delivers strong low-end torque while maintaining impressive high RPM performance. A lightweight aluminum frame, aerodynamic winglets, and premium suspension provide excellent stability and precise handling at high speeds. Advanced electronics, including dynamic traction control, launch control, wheelie control, cornering ABS Pro, multiple riding modes, and a bidirectional quick shifter, enhance both safety and performance. Powerful Brembo brakes and a race-inspired chassis complete the package, making the S1000RR equally impressive on the track and the road. Combining speed, precision, and cutting-edge technology, it remains one of the most respected and technologically advanced superbikes in the world.
Number 7. MV Agusta F4RC. The MV Agusta F4RC is one of the most exclusive and beautifully engineered motorcycles ever produced, combining Italian craftsmanship with race-inspired performance. Built as the ultimate evolution of the legendary F4 platform, the F4RC, short for Reparto Corse, was developed to celebrate MV Agusta's racing heritage and bring championship-level technology to a road-legal machine. At its heart is a 998 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine that produces approximately 205 horsepower in standard form and up to 212 horsepower when fitted with the included racing kit. This high-performance engine enables the motorcycle to reach a top speed of around 188 miles per hour, 302 km/h, while delivering smooth, responsive power across the entire rev range. The F4RC features lightweight carbon fiber bodywork, forged aluminum wheels, titanium components, and a meticulously crafted steel trellis frame combined with aluminum side plates, providing exceptional rigidity and precise handling. Its aggressive aerodynamic design not only enhances its stunning appearance but also improves stability during high-speed riding. Premium Öhlins electronically adjustable suspension, powerful Brembo braking systems, and an advanced electronics package, including traction control, quick shifter, launch control, multiple riding modes, and engine brake management, ensure maximum performance and rider confidence. Produced in extremely limited numbers, with each motorcycle individually numbered and accompanied by a racing kit and certificate of authenticity, the F4RC is as collectible as it is capable. More than just a superbike, the MV Agusta F4RC is a symbol of Italian engineering excellence, where cutting-edge technology, handcrafted quality, and breathtaking design come together to create one of the most desirable and prestigious motorcycles in the world.
Number 8. Crighton CR700W. The Crighton CR700W is one of the most extraordinary motorcycles ever built, proving that innovation can outperform engine size. Designed by legendary British engineer Brian Crichton, this ultra-exclusive superbike is powered by a 690 cubic centimeters twin-rotor rotary engine that produces an incredible 220 horsepower. Weighing just 129 kilograms, 284 pounds, it offers one of the highest power-to-weight ratios of any production motorcycle and can exceed 200 miles per hour, 322 kilometers per hour, under the right conditions. Unlike conventional piston engines, its rotary engine delivers exceptionally smooth power and a unique high-pitched exhaust note. A lightweight aluminum chassis, carbon fiber bodywork, premium suspension, Brembo brakes, and advanced electronics provide outstanding handling, stability, and braking performance. Only a handful of CR700Ws are hand-built, making it one of the rarest and most desirable superbikes in the world. Combining British engineering, lightweight construction, and remarkable performance, the Crighton CR700W stands as one of the fastest and most technically fascinating motorcycles ever created. So, which of these incredible motorcycles would you love to ride? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.